Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we're showing you the Tusk Spare Tire Carrier for the Polaris RZR Turbo S. All right everyone, thanks for checking in. So today we're showing you the spare tire carrier from Tusk for the Polaris Turbo S, both the 2 and the 4-seater. This thing looks good, it mounts up nice and easy, it is built really well, comes in at a great price point, so it really just checks off all the boxes that you're looking for in a spare tire carrier, but there's also some other features about it that we want to point out to you. As far as the construction goes, powder coated steel, so again, super strong. Mounting on this is very simple, bolts right up to the roll cage, all the hardware comes included. It really should not take you very long at all to get this thing mounted up. And speaking of mounting, one aspect about this that was important to us while designing this is the clearance. We want to make sure that it stays nice and low profile, whether you're in an enclosed trailer and you don't have a lot of clearance, or just in situations where you don't want to have any added height to your machine. You can see we've got a 32-inch spare on here now, and it actually sits flush with the roof. So that was important to us. But also what's cool about this is that it is adjustable for different wheel offsets. So depending on the size of the tire or the wheels that you have on here, you can adjust that to get your spare tire to sit on there exactly how you want it to. Some other cool features, there is a center flag mounting location on the top, and then also right down here on the bottom, there is a mounting location for the Tusk UTV scissor jack. So if you don't have a jack on your vehicle already and you're looking to get one on there, this gives you a good location for that. So we sell this by itself, but we also do have a kit that will come with that UTV scissor jack and a vertical flag mount and our Tusk 3-way lug nut wrench. So if you want to get everything all in one, you can pick up that kit and save yourself a little bit of time. Now, last thing I do want to point out is that these spare lug nuts will not come included for your spare tire, but we do have those available on our website, so to be sure to pick some of those up if you haven't already. But if you have questions or comments about this, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours today, it's simple. Click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are vehicle specific, so when you're picking yours up, just enter the year, make, and the model, and you're going to be good to go. All orders are $75 ship free, which means this spare tire carrier ships free. And if you like this video and you want to see more just like it for great UTV content, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.